In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. All you need to do is go into Tab menu and look for a white auto rotate shortcut or gray padlock one. As you can see, auto rotate is over here. So when I click, it has a padlock and it says landscape. That means that auto rotation is off, so to turn it on, click on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!